In this tutorial, we will learn how to play AR and CG graphics in the virtual set. To play the AR, first create a playlist, give it a name, and select CG. The CG playlist is designed to work with rundown with minimalist operation. Users can work on the salvo panel to control the triggering of instances in the CG playlist. Browse the templates from the template pool. Just drag and drop the templates you want to play into the playlist. You can do this for as many templates as you want. This way you can add multiple templates to your playlist rundown. Double-click directly on the template in the playlist. Preview window is the off-air view of the template, which the user can see and confirm the data and template animation before taking it on air. Press Take Snap to switch the graphic from preview to program like a cut transition. This will also load and play the next graphic in the playlist in the preview window. You can also press Take Animate. This will cue the graphic to the start frame, switch it to the program window and play it. So the graphic will animate, and if it has an animation. Take Swap swaps the graphics loaded in the program and preview windows. You have the option to utilize shortcuts for every button that is shown on it. When you click the Take Animate or Take Snap button, it shows the next available instance in the preview window. If you want to choose a specific instance instead, you can enter its row number as the next item and press the Load button. With this feature, you can switch between playlist items and choose which one plays next. When you double-click an item in the playlist, it unloads the current item in the preview and loads the one that was double-clicked. If the scene contains any salvo buttons, they are displayed on the salvo containers in the preview or program as per the canvas it is loaded on. Now that you're familiar with loading and playing instances, let's customize the graphics to your liking. Go to the instance in the playlist. Click on the Edit Instance button to open the form associated with the template in the playlist window as a tab. To modify the graphic, start by giving it a slug name. Make sure to check all the checkboxes, then adjust the graphics position. To maintain proportionate scaling, use the X, Y, and Z buttons. You can modify the data, and it will instantly update in real time. Similar operations can be done using the standard playlist. Just open the same playlist as a standard playlist. Double-click on the instance. This will load the instance in the player on the right. The player form is displayed so you can position or size your graphics as required using the available controls. When you click on either the preview or program button, the graphic will quickly snap into its appropriate window. You can prepare another instance in the second player for future use. Unlike the CG playlist, the standard playlist allows you to run 2 or more graphics simultaneously within the program. You can easily add more players by going to the Preferences window and adjusting the player count. Let's incorporate overlay CG graphics into the scene. Open the program or playlist. Double-click to load the graphic for playback. Adjust the data accordingly using the form. You're all set to level up your virtual scenes with 3D and overlay graphics, taking your presentations to the next level of excellence.